Yeah.
10.8, yeah! Surface area and volume of prisms. Find surface area and volume of prisms. Woo! Yeah!
Well, why are you yelling? I just said use a big voice.
That was my big voice.
Wow, that was yelling. Nice job, Miss Gamby. That's enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Now now watch this, how good and involved this group is here, right? And before we move on, can you find the area and surface area? Can you find the surface area and volume of prisms?
Yes.
Yeah, I love that. All right, so surface area, volume, we've been talking a lot about that. I'm not going to go through the definitions. Any prism, this prism or this prism, is named by what? What is it named by? Kabir.
Their base.
The bases. So if I'm talking about a triangular prism, what's the base going to be?
Triangle.
If I'm talking about a rectangular prism, what's the base going to be?
Rectangle.
If I'm talking about an octagonal prism, what's the base going to be?
Octagon.
Brilliant. And remember, for a prism, if you have one base, you're going to have a second exact same base, right? Okay? Is this, I'll go to this right now. Is that a prism?
Yes.
What kind of prism is it?
Triangular.
There's a triangle, and then you can't see it, but over on this side is going to be the exact same triangle, right?
Yes.
What are the faces of any prism going to be?
Rectangle.
Brilliant. Okay, formulas. Surface area formula. Somebody tell me the surface area formula. What is it, Sam?
Find the area of all sides and then add them together.
Can you automatically find the area of one side and just multiply by 2?
Yeah.
What?
No.
No! Only on what kind of prism can you do that?
Rectangular.
Only on rectangular prism. That's why, again, why I'm worried about that. I would rather you, again, if it was my world, I would just say find the area of every single prism. Even if you're sure you could just multiply by 2, I would just calculate the area of every single side of that prism. That's what I'm going to recommend you always do. Volume. There are the formula for volume. Everybody in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Capital B times height.
Capital B times H, or area of the base times
Height.
height. You need to know what a capital B is. And I think you all know what a capital B is now, right?
Yes.
Okay, calculating volume. I have to slide down because my shape moved way down here. Do we, from this point forward, do we use for any type of volume this formula?
No.
It actually works for a rectangular prism, but it only works for a rectangular prism. So we just want to say no thank you, right?
Yeah.
From now on, we're going to use this formula. And so if we're going to use the area of the base times the height, this is my base, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
What is 10 times 4?
40.
What is my height, everybody?
6.
So then 40 times 6 would be 240 units
Square.
cubed. Remember how many cubes will fit inside of there. I showed you the cube. And the reason we use that is on number 8. Can I use for number 8 length times width times height?
No.
No, because we got to find the area of the
Base.
base. This is a base. This is a base, right?
Yes.
Do you find the area of this base by multiplying base times height?
No.
No, you've got to do base times height
Divided by 2.
divided by 2, and then you multiply it by 20, which is your
Height.
height. Got it?
Got it.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we're good with that from now on. No more using length times width times height. Even in your wake up. I don't want to see in your wake up anymore. Even tomorrow, even on your quiz on Friday, I want capital B times H. Y'all go with that?
Yes.
And then sliding down here, surface area. I just got done saying this. My preference is you do exactly what you see here on number 9. I want you to calculate the area of every single side. See how I did that? I don't have any multiplying by 2, and then add them together. Okay?
Yes.
That's how I prefer you do it. That's what's it's gonna be error proof if you do it that way. It'll be error proof. You'll get them right. Questions before I stop?